Guys, it's Tuesday today and I was just making my lunch. Basically, mama ne lunch banaya hai, but mujhe pasand nahi. So I'm just cooking something for myself. Plus, it's like 36 degrees outside. It's summer already. It feels like May, but it's only March. I don't know what's up with Mother Nature. So I don't wish to eat roti like. Pata nahi. Rice is more cooling in summer, I feel. I don't know, it's just me. So I'm just making Schezwan rice, quick, fun recipe which you can try. So let's go. Okay, so 1 minute is done. I want it to be crunchy, that's why I'm not overcooking it. Now I'll just go ahead and add the Schezwan chutney. I don't want to make it super spicy because spice in summer is not good. और फिर स्वाद अनुसार नमक. I always wanted to say that. And we'll just mix this thoda. I'm adding like half spoon more of Schezwan sauce and then just cooking it. Okay, now I'll just separate it so it's easier to mix in the rice later. Just ऐसे कर दो थोड़ा और फिर rice डाल दो अंदर. It's hard to do it with one hand. Wait. So rice is here. We'll just go ahead and mix. The rice is already cooked, by the way. And yeah, mix. Let it stay for like a minute or two. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Yeah, that is basically how I make Schezwan rice. Now, I wouldn't recommend you guys to eat this like literally every day because the chutney isn't that healthy. If you want to quickly cook something, this is nice fun. Also added more veggies. I was just feeling lazy, so थोड़ी सब्जी डाल दो अंदर, मतलब कच्ची सब्जी, maybe capsicum. What else can you add? A lot of other different vegetables of your choice, whatever you want. Just add this in. Make it a little healthy, and then just eat. If you decide to try this recipe out yourself, please don't forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram. I will repost it and share it with my followers as well. Do it now. #cooking with Dhwani. You guys, so I was just shooting a video. My hair is like acting crazy because of this crazy humidity in Bombay. It's like almost 40 out there. I'm shooting inside, but I'm just taking like a break from shooting. I have to try on all those kurtis right now, and I'm just like dying at the thought of it. But I thought to take a mini break and just open this parcel that I got from TVF. I don't know. I have no clue what's in there. So let's go ahead and open this and see what's in here. Okay, it's a box. Tripling is back, you guys. I'm so excited. I honestly loved the last season. I cannot wait for the new one. It's coming out. Let's go ahead and open this and see. It says TVF Road Trip Essentials. They had also sent a package like this for Ye Meri Family, and I was like literally dying over everything 90s that was in there. Let's go ahead and open this and see what's in here. I want you guys to open with me, so I will just do it like this. Okay, so there's a letter, face wipes. I had road trips. I guess this is a sticker. Then we have like 2 snacks. So there is a postcard which is inviting me to the grand premiere of the show. I cannot wait to go. I'll obviously take you guys along with me, so we'll see it together. And then we have Baba, you are beautiful. I think this is playing cards. Oh! All the cards have the same print and it says, wait for it, Baba, you are beautiful. Oh god, if you have seen the show, you obviously, get the references. Let's see, what is this? It's a torch. How do I turn this thing on? Is it battery operated or... I don't know how to turn this on. So we'll figure it out later on. I think it needs charging. There's also like charging station. I don't know how to turn this on. Did I just break it? We'll see how to turn this on later on. And then we have, oh, this is the charging cord, I guess. Yeah, then how to charge it. Then we have a Neck pillow, yes, much needed. And then we have finally the famous song t-shirt. I don't know who will wear this. If you know this song, like the whole scene is right now playing in my head. It's so funny. I couldn't stop laughing. Thank you so much, TVF. I cannot wait to watch the premiere and also maybe go on a road trip with my friends if they are free. So yeah, that was the unboxing. Now let's get back to filming. My throat is like drying right now. I need to have a lot of water. I need to try on things and I'm just feeling too lazy. Can't procrastinate. Get back to work, Dhwani. Okay, chalo, bye. Look at this mess, by the way. It's the filming mess. That's what I call it. My battery is low, so I'm quickly gonna talk right now. I just got done with the shoot. Like you can see, there's still makeup on, but I'm like super hungry and I wanna eat something. So I decided to make this. This is the first time I'm trying Koka noodles. Now I have like 3 versions of this, but today I'll be trying out the black pepper. I've heard great things about it, like literally this is nowhere close to Maggi. So let's try it out and see. I think it was expensive. It was for 45 rupees, this one pack. And I'll give you guys my honest opinion if it's worth it or not. Let's see. ये थोड़ा अलग वे में बनाना है. पहले सिर्फ नूडल्स बॉईल करना है, नहीं सेपरेटली बनाना है, एंड देन दोनों को मिक्स करना है basically. This is what the seasoning powder looks like. It straight up looks like just black pepper powder, but it smells थोड़ा different. Let's go ahead and add the oil also. Smells like coconut oil, to be honest. ऐसे noodles मैं बचपन में खाती थी because I used to not eat a lot of spicy food. So Maggi भी कभी कभी तीखी होती थी मेरे लिए. तभी when I was like what 8-9. Now we'll just mix this and make a paste. Yup, I'm using fork because I feel like forks are better than spoons. इतने सारे noodles में कैसे mix होगा? I think the noodles are done within 2 minutes. This cooks quicker than Maggi. Wow. So they have mentioned drain the noodles, but honestly my noodles are very well cooked. There's no water left. So I'm not gonna drain this. The noodles are in here and yeah, there's a little bit of water in there. Next, I'm just gonna add this in. I wish there was someone to help me like vlog things. Masala itna sa, noodles itne sare. Let me just mix this and see how this. Oh, it is actually mixing nicely. Yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so here it is. Here's how it looks. Looks great and smells great. I cannot wait to try it out. One tip, better होता अगर मैंने इस बोल में ही पेस्ट प्रिपेयर किया होता and then उसके ऊपर नूडल्स डाल दिए होते. So एक टिप है अगर आप पहली बार बना रहे हो तो. Anyway, let's go ahead and try this out. This smells so good. जल्दी try करना है, भूख लगी है. Why didn't I try this before? This is like completely different than Maggi. Oh my god, the seasoning oil, it makes the difference, I feel. Oh my god, this is so good. It's not spicy. There's one spicy Singapore one also, which I will try in my next vlog maybe. But this one is black pepper and it's not that spicy. This is so good. Oh my god, you guys get it. If you find this anywhere, I'm gonna get more packets. I'm gonna go and get more packets of this. Hands down, so much better than Maggi, but thoda expensive hai yaar. 45 rupees बहुत ज़्यादा है इतने food के लिए. थोड़ा expensive है, like 25 तक होता था, then I would have been like, just get 10 packets of it. But since it's 45, once in a month it's fine, right? So good. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try the other 2 flavors that are there, especially the spicy one. अभी खाने का मन हो रहा है मेरे को, but नहीं, we'll wait for the next vlog and we'll try that out. So stay tuned. Till then, cheers. मुझे पता था ये वीक का व्लॉग इतना इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है. प्लस आई वाज प्लानिंग टू डू समथिंग दिस वीक एंड मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो एंड दैट इज माय इंस्टाग्राम फॉलोअर्स कंट्रोल समथिंग. मेरे को बात नहीं करनी उसके बारे में, सरप्राइज नहीं रहेगा फिर. So basically, because it was weekend, the crowd would be a lot and it would be hard for me to film the portion. So that's why I decided I'll do it in the weekday instead of weekend. So that's why कभी भी ये वीक में या नेक्स्ट वीक में होगा वो. So मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करो. मैं स्टोरीज कभी भी डाल सकती हूँ. मेरे को पक्का पता नहीं मैं कौन से डे में जा रही हूँ अभी, बिकॉज आई थिंक मेरे को कल भी कुछ और काम है. एंड हाँ, आज मैं बेसिकली एडिटिंग, इट्स मंडे टुडे बाय द वे, सो आई एम जस्ट बेसिकली एडिटिंग दिस व्लॉग एंड जस्ट अपलोडिंग इट राइट नाउ. सो टू मेक अप फॉर दैट आई आस्क्ड यू गाइस टू आस्क मी सम क्वेश्चंस. आई एम जस्ट गोना आंसर देम क्विकली फॉर यू गाइस. फर्स्ट इज बाय मुस्कान पटेल. उसने तो मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, रैपिड फायर जैसा चीज ही क्वेश्चन में डाल दिया. शी इन और रॉन्ग वे, शी इन धोनी और विराट, विराट मॉम और डैड, आई कांट पिक जस्ट वन, पेरेंट्स. स्नीकर्स और हील्स फॉर एन एवरीडे बेसिस, स्नीकर्स, यूट्यूब, sorry, Justin Bieber concert or YouTube fan fest, YouTube fan fest, fans or friends. This is hard, like I treat my fans also as my friends, so I say friends because I don't have fans, I have like friends. Cousins or friends, friends or Riverdale. How is this even a comparison? Obviously friends. Starbucks or CCD? Obviously Starbucks, yeah. Next question is, why were you not there at the fan fest yesterday? Well, basically fan fest, I wasn't invited to be a part of the fan fest and I'm someone who hates crowd. So मेरे को पता था बहुत सारा crowd होने वाला है वहाँ पे and all of that. I hate being a part of the crowd. So that's why I decided to skip it. How has 2019 has been for you till now? 2019, see, Jan was okay. Jan Feb में थोड़ा laziness हो गया था मेरे से, but March onwards I'm back on track again. So yeah, let's do this. Hi, my name is Nikita. By the way, I like your videos. Thank you so much. Which is your favorite cartoon character? SpongeBob SquarePants, hands down, is my favorite. Like I still watch it on YouTube at times. There are episodes. DSLR or GoPro? DSLR any day, dude. A lot of you have this question about my height. I am 5'3", or I say 5'3 and a half. Yeah. Would you rather quit YouTube or don't eat noodles or Maggie for the rest of your life? By the way, love your videos. Love from Zuko. Oh, quitting YouTube is not an option. So I'll just quit noodles or Maggie for the rest of my life. Which team are you supporting in IPL and who's your favorite cricketer? I am supporting Mumbai Indians. I have been always supporting Mumbai Indians for obvious reason. I'm from Bombay and I love that team. All-time favorite is obviously Sachin. Are we getting any DIY videos anytime soon? मेरे को ना अभी DIY videos में इतने views नहीं आते, to be honest, and that is one of the reason why I have stopped, because it takes a lot of time and effort to do a DIY video. Like minimum 4 days चाहिए उसके लिए. My hauls and vlogs are doing so well where I'm hardly putting in any efforts. And DIY videos where I actually put in efforts weren't doing well, so that's why I've stopped. But if you guys want to see it, I can give it one more chance. From which place in Gujarat do you belong? I'm from Ankleshwar. I am from Jafrabad, which is somewhere near Diu, I guess. It's been like 10-15 years मैं गई नहीं हूँ वहाँ पे. So my question is, do you feel like moving out to a separate apartment and shoot there, have your own personal studio, basically adulting? Yes, I am planning to just have a separate space for my work, because it's like taking over my house and my house is a mess because of my work. So मेरे घर पे tripod, lights वो सब ऐसे ही पड़े रहते हैं. So yeah, I wish to have a separate apartment so I can just film and work there and this could actually just be my home. So yeah, pray for me guys if I can get a separate place where I can just shoot my videos. just woke. So yeah, guys, there are still a lot of questions, but मेरे को ये video लंबा नहीं करना है, so I think that's enough. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. We are this close to 129k. just जल्दी से subscribe कर दो. 129k आज तक हो जाने चाहिए, आज रात 12 बजे तक. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. Also, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog now. Bye. I don't know why I'm holding my tripod. It looks like a mic. Okay, anyway, so bye.